Yo, it's your bar in the video. If you don't have one dumbbell and you want to build your lat, which is right here, which makes you have that V taper, doing the single arm dumbbell row will benefit you. All you need is one dumbbell and then a surface to place your hand on. So what you're going to do is grab a dumbbell. I suggest you use a heavy dumbbell instead of using a light one. This exercise is not one of those exercises that you don't need that much weight for. You will need a lot of weight to see muscle growth. So you're going to grab one dumbbell, and then I recommend you always start off with your non-dominant side or the side you don't get right with. So in my case, it's my left side. So I'm going to have my hand placed on the surface, which is my chair. Then I'm going to grab the dumbbell. And then I'm going to go up. So I'm going to get the dumbbell off the ground. I'm going to go up, squeeze, go down, and until I get the strip, which goes right here. Then I'm going to go up, squeeze, down. I'm not going to just go up and stop right here. I'm going to get that full stretch, go up, down, and continue for reps. This muscle is a very big muscle, which allows you to lift more than if you were just doing something like a lateral raise. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more fitness content just like this, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. If you want to build another back muscle, which is the real delt, this video right here is for you. See you there.